Hey guys, Mr. T-Shirt here, and today I'm not going to talk to you about T-shirts or showing you any tips or tricks, but instead I'm going to show you part one of what I've been doing to become more organized and professional for the new year. So come on, let's take a look. So when we moved here about a year and a half ago, my garage was bare, meaning it was just framed out. So I knew regardless of what I did with the garage, it needed to be done. Insulation needed to be done, along with walls, and the ceiling of the garage needed to be completed. So as you can see, as I said, the ceiling was not completed, so that was a must. So this is what the garage currently looks like in the state that it's in. But previously, let me turn off some of these lights so you guys can see. Previously, these ceilings in here, the whole garage was just framed out. So there was no insulation, there was no ceiling. It was just bare framing. All right, had my guys come in, insulate it, put some sheetrock up, and made sure everything was sealed up nice and tight. So we can have, they also put up the walls. The whole garage, like I said, was framed. So they also put up the walls, sheetrock, insulated, as I said. All right, and we have our workbench that's being built here. All right, so this will be where our heat press or a couple of heat presses will sit up here. And this will be our workstation. We'll have our cup press or mug press, also our hat press up here as well. And you guys just got to see the whole setup once it's done. It's going to really come together nice. I'm really anxious about that. This has been something that's been in the making since last year. But having to work and get you guys orders out, it's hard to do both, you know, when you're doing it full time. So finally had a little time, not really downtime, because it's never not too much downtime, but a little bit of time where I was able to squeeze trying to get the completion of this done in the garage. So I said once it's done, I'll be doing a part two of the completed product or the completed look, reno, and show you guys what the print shop looks like. Okay, so like I said, I'm anxious for that. And you guys have any comments, questions, if you guys are just as excited as I am, leave it in the comment section below. I'd like to hear you guys' thoughts so far and your feedback. So hit me up with questions, like I said, and I look forward to seeing you guys on part two of Garage to Print Shop.